Hello everyone, so today we are going to be making bread, homemade bread, and I'll just show you how I make my bread. So this is what we have. This is the yeast I use. It's an active dry yeast. I like dry yeast because it does well. This I'm just going to put 3 teaspoons. 1. Here I have a 1/4 cup of cooking oil. I have 10 tablespoons of sugar. Here I have 3 teaspoons of dry yeast. Here I have 2 cups of warm water, and here is my all-purpose flour. And so the next thing we will be using this is what I'll be making my bread in. So I like a bigger one so that it gives it room to rise. Then this is water. You stir a bit before putting the yeast. And I use a pinch of salt too. Okay, that's fair enough. Then we are going to put dry yeast. Then let it sit for 10 minutes for the yeast to puff. After 10 minutes, the yeast has formed or proof. We'll put 3 cups of all-purpose flour. At this point is where I add my cooking oil. Now it's time for me to move it to the surface and work on it on the surface. When you have done all that, if you press and it springs back, you know you're good. I like reusing the same like I said, this is the biggest I have, so I like reusing it. I'm just going to put some oil into it like that, and then I will take my dough and just use it. You can get a clean container if you so wish. For me, this is fine. I usually cover with 2 towels. One is dark. I put a dark one, and then I put a light one. I'm going to leave it to sit on the stove because I used the stove like a few minutes ago and it's still warm. So what I'll do, I'll turn the overhead light off and just let it sit there for 1 hour. I like giving it 1 hour. So we will just set a timer. That's good. So we give it 1 hour right there. It's now time to clean. Now that 1 hour has lapsed and the timer has gone off, I'm going to smear these 2 baking trays with some butter. This is the butter I use. it's an unsalted butter. So this is how I do it. You can do it another way if you wish. That's done. It's been 1 hour. It's been 1 hour of rest, so we will just check our dough. And it has risen perfectly well. I'm going to divide this into 2 because this is enough for 2 breads. Just set it right there. So this is what happens once I've set it right there. I will give it another 30 minutes and it will rise and before it's baked. Going to bake at 350. So our timer has gone off for the bread, and we'll just cancel this, and then we check our bread. Our bread looks lovely. That is the bread. I'll just put some butter on my bread. That's how it looks like after I've put some butter on it. So this is how I make bread after it has cooled off for some bit. It's very hot. I'm going to just come and transfer them from this tray, and yeah, so that's how I make my bread here at home. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video up to this far. Remember to like, share and subscribe to the video, and let me know any questions you have in the comment section. I will gladly try to answer them.